Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 9836793076. Again, I am repeating our contact number which is 9836793076. If you have any doubts or anything, so please feel free to drop an email to our email ID which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Now, after contacting us, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like PUMDET, ISI, CMI, eh, ATIFR, NBHM entrance exams also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the year of 2024 in the question paper of PUMDET. So the question is telling us that the Möbius transformation which fixes 135 is, there are four options here which are a is equals to w equals to 1 minus z by 1 plus 5z, and b is telling us that w equals to z bar, and c is telling us that w is equals to real z, that means the real part of z, and our d is telling us that transformation would be the identity transformation. Okay, so what can be done here? We know that our Möbius transformation is a that is called a special kind of bilinear transformation that can be written as w equals to, that will be plus b by plus d, where our a, b, c and d all are complex numbers and they are satisfying this thing. That means our ad minus bc will be not equals to 0. Okay, so after that what can we get? So we need to find a Möbius transformation that fixes the points which are my 1, 3 and 5. So how can it be possible? So that means we want to find a linear Möbius transformation that satisfies this thing. That means T1 is equals to 1, T3 is equals to 3 and our 5 is equals to T5. Okay. So now we are going to understand the fixed points in Möbius transformation. So a Möbius transformation with three distinct fixed points must be the identity transformation. Why? This is because a non-trivial Möbius transformation can have at most two fixed points. Because if we take the transformation here, that means our W, let it be this, by C plus D equals to what? That leads to a quadratic equation which has at most two solutions unless the transformation is trivial. So since we are given the three fixed points here, so the only Möbius transformation that satisfies the condition is the identity transformation. So the correct answer of this question will be my identity transformation here. Okay. So again, I am telling that if you have any doubts or anything, please feel free to contact us. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, or you can join our online classes. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.